Hey, it's Brandon coming to you from Mills GM here in Baxter, Minnesota. Today we are looking at a 2019 Chevy Silverado 2500. This is a gas motor. It's going to be certified pre-owned here at Mills GM. Stock number is 2G210188A. Traded in on a brand new Sierra pickup. So super low miles on this. I think it's got around, oh gosh, what did it have, like 20,000 miles on it? Let me quick double check. No, less. Just under 11,000 miles on this bad boy. Quicksilver metallic gas motor, double cab, standard box. It's going to be certified pre-owned here. You're just seeing it in the raw. We just took it in a day or two ago. You've got mud flaps going all the way around. Very clean interior. You're seeing it in the raw, so keep that in mind when we check this out. 2019, you've got Wi-Fi. We've got Z71 package, WeatherTech floor liners in the front here. Heated seats. It is the bench seat. A lot of people are still looking for those bench seats to fit the 6 people in here. And certified warranty. You're going to get extra warranty with this. A couple free maintenance visits with this as well. Oh, look at that. Even WeatherTech's in the back seat. You're seeing this in the raw. Keep that in mind. This is how we took it in. Super clean. Very, very clean. Steps on the sides as well, as you can tell there. We've got Z71 off-road package, like I mentioned, which includes your trailer brake, 2-speed transfer case, as well as skid plates, Rancho shocks. This does have a roll-up tonneau cover, and of course 4-pin, 7-pin wiring here as well. Super clean B&W turnover hitch as well installed. Tow mirrors that have the extensions as well, power seats, and Bluetooth, of course, all the normal stuff there. So if you're looking for a truck, don't want to spend the money on a crew cab, but you're looking for slightly pre-owned, this is exactly what you want, and more warranty and such. Give us a call, Mills GM, 218-829-3504, or click some tires, millsgmcbaxter.com. Thanks for watching.